All right, I wanted to upload a fast video here. It is Monday, August 24th, and Zoom is out across the country for a lot of us. Also, learning management systems like Blackboard Learn are going down. So, what are your alternatives? I want to make a fast video to help get you there. What I suggest doing, it seems like Google Meets is still working. And so this is probably the best way to recreate that Zoom experience, fast and easy, that anyone can join. So I want to show you how to do that. You're going to need to be able to email your students. So if Blackboard Learn is down and you cannot email them through that or your learning management system, you probably have some sort of faculty center where you can look at the enrollment for your students like I have on screen here. So my first class is this sports epidemiology at 10 a.m. And if I click to the users, what I can do is if I scroll all the way down, I can notify all students. And what this does is it brings up a way for me to email. So now I'm ready to notify them. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to Google Meet. Just Google Meet, click there, and now you can create a new meeting. And you could get a meeting link to share. You could start an instant meeting. What I would do is if Zoom is down and Blackboard is down at the beginning of your class, I would do start an instant meeting right at that time and send your students an email. You could also schedule or use this link later and you just click into it. But if you start an instant meeting, it's going to get ready. The camera is currently being used by this camera, so it can't, but what you'll see is that there is this link here. And so what you can do is highlight, copy this link, go back to your notifications, and paste it in there. Send them an email, and they will be able to log into Google Meet. Google is a much more robust company than Zoom or Blackboard or any of the learning management systems, so I highly doubt Google Meets is going to go down. This is the alternative that I would use. It's just as easy as that. You can see that there are ways to pause your microphone and your camera. Joining now, you can present and share your screen. You can do everything you could do in Zoom on Google Meets, and this is probably your best alternative during the Zoom outages.